Hi there guys. Hi there. Today I'm going to show this magic kettle to you. Okay, let me tell you something how it works. Alright, as you can see now here, it means the switch is on. Okay, now I prove it to you. This switch is connected to this. It's connected to this fridge. Okay, the switch is on. If let's say I'm off of it, the fridge is off. Okay, if I on it, then there's a function of the fridge. Alright, now let me prove it to you. See this thing? It's off. Alright, it's on. Okay, on again and off it. Okay, this is showing the line to this thing. Okay, to the kettle. Alright, okay, now let me fill this kettle with water first. See, the inside is empty. Now I fill with water. Okay, that we're done for it. Okay, see here down here, this kettle down here is not connected with any electrics. Okay, see, I join the head from there. Okay, from here, this joined to the back there. Okay, see, the same thing, right? Nothing changed, and down there nothing else. Alright, so let's start. Alright, it's off. Let me prove to you again. It's off. Okay, if it's balanced, it won't poke out. See closely, you see the difference. Okay, so I off it. Okay, let's see. Tick. It might take a long time, but let us wait for all. See, there's nothing down there. Alright, and you can start hearing the kettle's getting boiled. I didn't cut anything. It's still off. If it's off, you need to click it. You have a sound of clicking it, right? If it's on, you have click, but there's no sound. Okay, so it proves to you that it's off. Okay, let's see what can this magic kettles can do. It really makes the water boil up. See, the whole thing is connected. I didn't cheat you. This thing from here, join up till the end there, right? It's not the another one, but it's this one. Don't mix it up, okay? See? Alright? It's connected to here, and then it will turn back to here. Here, the kettle is boiling. I'm not joking. Down there is nothing, okay? See that? You hear his voice? Yeah, he's making it boiling, man. It's off. It's off again. It's off. It's not on, it's off. Okay, it's off. It's just not improve. If it's not straight, I'll push it down again. I'll turn it off cap. You see? That's the difference. You see? There's no nothing, but here the kettle is still boiling. It's amazing, right? Alright. It might sound insane that I might be proving that it's sound only, but let me prove to you inside the water is really boiling. But we need to wait for a while till we see the whole thing boiling. I think now we can see it. This haven't done yet. No, wait. Right. Let's wait for a while. Wait for another 1 minute, then we'll do. This kettle takes long a little bit. And remember, down here there's nothing else, okay? There's nothing. Alright, I prove it to you. Make magic kettle, make it boil. Just joking. Right. It's getting boiled. I think we can have a look inside. This kettle I found out is magic in the morning. During morning I only found out it's really magic. Let's have this look, okay? I still cannot do anything. Let's wait, just wait. I can't make this one part and second part. If I make it into two parts, that you will think that I'm making cheat with you, alright? I still want to make it proof the whole video is that it's true, okay? See? There's nothing, alright? It's off. Yeah, you see? See, the water is boiling. I'm telling you the truth. The water is boiling there. Oh, sorry. See, the water is boiling. It's proof it. Then you have a tuck one sound when it's done. See? Wait, there's a tuck one sound. It's still boiling. Let's wait. Oh, it's quite long. I think we should close it up. Okay. You hear? Ta! So it's done. So that's the end of Magic Kettle. Believe it or not, just believe it.